the engine that awakens adrenaline. More sporty, more aerodynamic and much more exciting. It produces 41.3 horsepower and 3.0 kgf.m torque with its 321 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine. It also has a special DiASil technology that contributes to lower vibration, better heat dissipation, and gain. Designed to increase your performance, the R3 Connected's new Blackout Panel is the only panel in its category with a customizable shift light indicator that shows the best time to change gears. A surprisingly updated design with an M-shaped intake duct inspired by the famous YZR M1. Full LED lighting with projector and LED headlights, integrated aerodynamic deflectors, dual headlights, side panels, new front fairing create an even better impression. Now the R3 Connected has a more ergonomic riding position, a more comprehensive instrument panel and a new seat design that increases foot access to the ground, inverse suspension that provides a greater balance between comfort and sports performance, monoshock rear suspension and alloy wheels. The more modern slipper and assist clutch allows you to use the clutch lever less effort, preventing the rear wheel from locking during sudden gear changes. Plenty of technology to modernize your performance. Integrated Bluetooth connectivity with the Yamaha Motorcycle Connect app, YConnect. Allows you to manage the use and performance of the motorcycle, schedule maintenance, compare riding modes, and determine location.